In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the battery on your Volkswagen Passat. This is going to be located in the engine bay. Let's get started. Using a 10mm socket, we're going to loosen the two terminals. I'm going to remove the negative first, and remove the positive. Make sure that these terminals can't contact these posts. Using a 13mm socket, remove the bolt for the battery hold down. Remove the battery hold down. Remove the battery. Install the battery. Be sure that this back bottom lip goes in first. Install the tie down. Get the bolt started by hand. And snug it down. Install the positive terminal and snug it down. Make sure it's nice and snug and doesn't wiggle on the terminal. Install the negative terminal and snug it down. Make sure it doesn't move, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.